Thank you, Ashesha, for those details on the precious metals. Now, Cholamandalam has issued a clarification addressing allegations made by Cobrapost against the company. Now, Murugappa Group of companies and its promoters, they have denied all of these allegations, calling it malicious and baseless. Mithali is here to tell us more on this. Mithali?
Right, the stocks of Cholamandalam Investment and Finance remain in focus today after the management has denied all the allegations put by Cobrapost digital portal, and they have said that all the allegations were malicious and baseless and say that there is no change in the business guidance whatsoever. Also, the company maintains the asset quality, liquidity and operations remain robust with 14,900 of cash reported as of November 30, 2025 by the management. Also, they spoke about the credit ratings and they remain at AA+ as of now. The stock has outperformed year to date by 42%, outperforming both the indexes Nifty as well as Nifty financials. Now, if you see the growth and business mix of the company, growth continues to be driven by the non-vehicle finance segments. Also, if you see the loan against property, there the AUM grew around 33% year-on-year basis, while their SME AUM, it grew about 28% on a yearly basis, offset by the muted vehicle segment and also the home loan disbursement, which did not see much growth for this quarter. For the guidance and performance, FY26, the management has reiterated their AUM growth guidance to 20%, where in Q2 we saw that the AUM rose around 17% year-on-year, while the disbursement, they remain largely flat. So guidance on disbursement have been softened due to high single-digit to 10% growth. The net margin, the net interest margin improved to 7.9% from 7.5%, where the management has guided that there might be an improvement from around 10 to 15 basis points in the second half of financial year 26. The range of the return on assets, they actually remain the range bound around 3 to 3.1% and will continue the same for the FY26 also. So what investors will be watching for the next second half is key triggers, including a pickup in the Q3 and Q4 disbursements. Also, the growth in the non-vehicle finance segments like LAP and SME, running at nearly 30% growth as of now, remains central to the story as Chola shifts their focus from purely vehicle finance to now the non-vehicle segment. On valuation wise, if you see, the stock currently trades at 5.5 times the book value and with a 1-year forward PE of around 4.23 times, while if you see their 5 years average, the stock was valuing at around 5.3 times. So overall, the growth stories for Cholamandalam remain stagnant even after the allegations that were put up by this Cobrapost, and also 42%, that's huge year-to-date performance by the stock.